Okay, welcome back to Jeremiah from Yes. Unfortunately, me accidentally clicking the button again. I have to end the vlog early. As I was saying before I accidentally left, my train was wheel slipping, so I had to fix it. Now, in just a couple of minutes, I'm gonna go eat dinner, because I'm hungry. Oh, great heavens. Here she comes, climbing up the mountain. Casey Jones. And by the way, I got the first... I didn't know if the Casey Jones set is still being sold. But I know for a fact that Bachman is still selling the Chattanooga. I hope. Now, I am planning to get I'm planning to get a Vanderbilt tender, Baltimore, Ohio, number 1181 for Christmas. Okay, so I have to back into the city, and once again, we're seeing major issue. You know, that's it. I'm done. And we just had a big slammer there. Gotta go fast, Sonic. Gotta go fast, Sonic. Gotta go faster, faster. Crazy! Yeah, that's what happens when you go crazy with a Bachman like. Now, don't worry, the locomotive sustained no damage. It's a classic Bachman model. Here, I was about to... Okay, so now I'm gonna push the freight cars back. And, I'm officially retiring my passenger cars for good. And, yeah, so... Yeah. So my old passenger cars, which I only have days, will be the first ever short-lived cars on this line. So I got a Bachman passenger 1860s to 1880s car, in which this locomotive followed from 1914 to 1918. Because this is a USRA design. Because in 1918, the Pullman was invented. And that immediately replaced it. So yeah, this line still uses regular freight traffic. Just, it's being demoted down to... We might put the CNIM boxcar. But now I'm going to reshape my yard.
Can I play?
I'm filming a YouTube video. So this is my brother This is my brother Emmett.
Get the train one over him.
No, Bubby's trying to fix his train now. Bubby crashed it earlier. So say hi.
Hi.
This is my brother. He loves space and robots.
You should.
And he doesn't he kind of doesn't like trains that much, but he still likes trains. And he loves it when I hug him, right?
No. Stop.
Okay. So yeah, this is the end of the stream. So yeah, so I will see y'all soon. Good.